May 31st, 2008, we're at the mall where they have a whole bunch of these trucks.
Sometimes it makes that noise.
Wow, look at it, eh? Look at the bucket.
T-shirt system. Doesn't actually give directions per se.
You want to sit?
Sebastian's on the bus.
As you go through town, it has
AJ's on the bus.
stops, and when it gets to whatever that GPS marking is.
See you!
Stay here, actually.
You're fine here. Well, unless they want to paint with the sidewalk chalk, then we should go outside.
We'll go outside.
You'll go outside? Alright, you can go outside.
I can't live here.
We're going to stay in the shade, eh?
Everybody's gonna go outside and paint.
I got the gizmo and the grab we can hook on.
Yeah, we might have to do that with the dog.
It is here.
We're going to be out here.
It really is.
I don't know what that is, eh?
That's a plant.
Go out by yourself, Ariel.
Not the
No, that's an anchor. Hold the frickin' place.
an anchor.
It has to stay there. They put the fence in the fence over there.
Are you going to color?
I got your
Yeah, you were-
picture.
McLeod's having a good time too.
Hey, guys.
How big is the...
What they get? 100 miles to the gallon.
Felt like me. Just
Of course, that day that we went to Walmart, it poured. Like, I was going 20 miles an hour on the highway over to my parents. Never drained a drop over at their place.
Yeah, we didn't even get
It wasn't even ever...
Grab the hose and hose it down.
Oh no, that's what we
I
need.
used to last summer when they'd come home and they'd be all dirty. I'd take them to the back porch and run the hose over AJ. He loved it.
I need water.
You need water? You want something to drink? Water? Oh, the hose.
Yeah, he's making bubbles. Tell your great grandma she doesn't know anything. Yeah, bubbles. I'm a bubble maker. Yeah. Making bubbles, great grandma.
AJ looks cute with his haircut. Yeah. Oh, good job!
My friend Katie's boy, who's the one who's today. Look at, you see your grandson? You see this one? Look at his shirt.
Yeah, he's covered a little bit.
Extra pants. I didn't bring him an extra shirt.
We'll throw him in the wash.
Throw the whole kid in the wash.
Yeah, he'll be clean. It, kid.
I wouldn't go any further than that shirt. Ow! Where's AJ going? Look at AJ. That's okay.
is good.
We're hanging right in there.
Good. Grandma's feeling better?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
What you doing, Sebastian?
I'm glad you did that.
I wonder how much longer till we're out of bubbles.
This is size zero you need.
What do you need?
This is size zero you need for them or not. I'm going to ship over for the kids now. She's not coming, the kids are there. I don't know whether she'll come in from both.
How many people does it take to coax over one little dog?
2 adults, 2 children, and another dog.
With two,
That
with
dog
two
has never
biscuits.
been in the house, Melissa.
Jay, find some write some super letters. Come here, let's write a super letter. What do you want to write? AJ? A. M for Mama? It's you, Sebastian. There's M. Want you M over here? Where's that? Oh, here's an M, AJ. See M?
Next time we're